Hello everyone, Friday Express 1993 here. I'm back again with a new video showing you what I've gotten from the internet for my laptop. A brand new adapter, a new jack to put in. Here's a charger right here I got. Get it off this laptop. Yep, it's just sitting under the bed. Let's see if it fits. Hold up a minute. Voila, see? Brand new jack, power adapter. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be replacing the jack on my other laptop that's over there, so let's get the laptop out and show you which one needs a new adapter. Okay, this is the laptop that needs the new jack. As you see, it's plugged in and there's no lights. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is going to go outside and I'm going to work on it and put this new adapter in it. So it's very simple to do, and I'll see you whenever I make an attempt to get it to work. Hello everyone. Look what's plugged in. I'm using my Toshiba, my black Toshiba's charger, since the charger to this one's broken. And as you see, look at the meter, notification area. And here's the indicator light so far. Now I'm back to be able. This is the original charger that was in it. Let me zoom out. As you see, it's no more any good, I can tell, where it's melted at. This is what I have to replace on it. So that was my antivirus being updated. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what you guys think of what I've done. Bye.